Hey, April 22nd. I'm probably extending 3 more nights, so check out not 24th but 28th. Still have the scooter. Super hot today. No rain, no nothing. A lot of cows. Oh, this dude is good for fruits. Hey, sir. So what's this? This place is kind of cool for chill, but quite expensive, and the food was not so good. Hey, so I'm out for lunch. Not doing much today. Just resting. Still deciding for Nepal or back to Thailand. And I need to make this decision. I don't want to force myself doing stuff, you know. But I also don't want to miss out. So yeah, I'll decide soon. I don't know. It's kind of cooler now. Not that hot. Yeah, Rishikesh. Thought it's gonna be like a little bit less, you know, traffic. Could be nice, like Hampi, you know. Traffic was like not a lot, like probably nothing at all. Just people, very chill. Yeah, you should go to other places. Yeah, so I was saying, like, you should like probably go further from Rishikesh to get more peace. Because like now I'm staying here, like construction is going on, dogs barking, you know, cows. It's not that peaceful. I don't know, maybe further there, like up the mountain or something. Yeah, so these guys are building this place pretty fast. Look, this was not even here like a couple of days before. Like, good workers. Okay, so this is the main street of Rishikesh. As you see, a cow here, just chilling. Tuk-tuk, scooter with 3 people. One more scooter driving like 16 an hour. A few more cows there. Some hustlers, some ice cream. A lot of zip line, zip jumping, like cable jumping. What else? Yoga, rafting, meditation. Drivers that don't look where they're going. Like hiking, you can do hiking here like a lot. In further cities, I don't know. Some Western restaurants, some Indian restaurants, good quality food actually. Ice cream, that's good ice cream, but it's expensive. I want one. Maybe I should get one. I don't know. Another cow. Hello, Mr. Cow. How are you? A little cow, baby cow. Yeah, some scootering. I saw some meat here, like chicken and stuff. You can get it here. Some trucks passing by. As you see, you need to look where you're going. Especially here. So I'm going to meet this Lithuanian girl, the cyclist. She's leaving on 24th, so I'm just gonna say goodbye. We're going to some kind of sound meditation. I don't know what the hell is that, but I think I did it before, like bowls and stuff. I don't know, I'm not into that stuff, but just to spend my day. Okay, end of this video for now. Yeah, I'm just afraid sometimes that somebody's gonna like drive into me, because I see some drunk drivers, and some of the tourists like are not good drivers, including me. Like, yeah, sometimes I don't even trust myself, so yeah, if you're like sleep deprived. So far in my 2 months journey, only I can say positive things about India, about Indian people. Yeah, but for the girls, our friend told me there were some pervs, so I don't know about that, but besides that, like, the people are super friendly. Yo, the clothes here are super cheap. You can just buy them and throw them out, or give them, or just return them. I don't know, like, cost nothing, like €2, €3, maybe 5. Like the pants is probably like 200, 300. Like slippers, 100, €1 for slippers. Hey, can I film? No? Yeah, so I was here before. It's kind of nice here. You can get a good view. Yeah, look at this view. Like I showed you before, but damn, beautiful. You can see the river, the temple, the people on the boats. I should take a rafting course. It'd be awesome. Yo, so the Beatles made this place kind of famous. Oh, thank you, man. See, the menu is not that bad. Užėmimas. Vis tiek kažką. I just came back to my room. I'm gonna end April 22nd, so see you tomorrow.